If you have a Mac, you have QuickTime, and QuickTime allows you to make screen recordings. You can find QuickTime in your applications folder and just drag it to the dock, and once it's there, click on it to open. Then click on the File menu and select New Screen Recording. I've already selected the Select Partial Screen option. The other option is to select the whole screen. The area selected here is the area that will be recorded, and I can adjust that by grabbing the handles and changing the shape. But before I start recording, I want to make sure all my options have been selected appropriately. I have an external microphone connected to my computer, and you want to make sure that yours is selected to MacBook Pro microphone. You can also select the location that your files are going to be saved to, and you can choose those from this menu option here. When you're ready to record, click on the record button and start to record your video for as long as you need to. To stop recording, you can click on this icon at the top of your screen, or if you have a touch bar, you can touch the touch bar to stop recording. When you stop recording, QuickTime renders the video for you and presents it to you on the screen. You then need to click on the File menu and click the Save button to then decide where you want to save your video clip to.